bitches and all. The whole city and all. Burning in my cup. Riding like I'm blood and love. Hustle hard, motherfucking love. Disrespect for doing donuts in the muscle car. Balls tight, never been a sucker for a broad. Pick up brain, I ain't tryna fuck her, she just suck me off. When I catch that pussy, I'm a fucking mouth. Major Lansky, he the boss, called to ENT tomorrow. First name, believe the ball, I made him believe it. Rest in peace, the Machiavelli nigga, I'm eternal leader. Look, most wanted, thugging like it's legal with my Desert Eagle. I don't never leave without my heater on that gasoline. Gassed up and sipping by the liter. Never seen a nigga fuck a diva, same 90 meter, huh? That's me. Yeah, me. Fuck middleman Sam, on my racks tax free. That's me. Yeah, me. Fuck middleman Sam, big racks tax free. Nigga, got the bitches and all. The whole city and all. Burn in my car. Like I'm a boy of the law. Look, I got the bitches and all. The whole city and all. Burn in my car. Ride like I'm a boy of the law. Look.
Whatever, I got murder on my mind. If you want it, get it, guarantee that they gon' find. Bitch, I'm about whatever. It's whatever, ho. It's whatever, ho. It's whatever, ho. It's whatever, I'm about whatever. I got murder on my mind.
Murder, major, Lansky, bitch, you already know what it is.
Bitch, I'm about whatever.
Bitch, I'm about that shit. Bitch, I'm about that shit. And when it comes to pussy, I be in and out that shit. Ho, it's whatever. I got whatever. She said a man never let her. Give her my card and told her get whatever. Look, no fraud shit, squad business. 4/5 with extended. No need to get ignorant. Try me, I'm gonna send him. Look at them corners, I been him. Hood nigga, cause I'm in him. Pulling nigga cord in a minute. Got that weed on the table on the bar, I can sense it. Real nigga status. My niggas the realest. Y'all abortion pants. Oh, you lying, nigga.
Oh. We just about to have to spin back around now, I guess.
Spin back around, huh?
Man.
I forgot the fucking weed in the room.
That fucked up the whole vibe.
Man. That put a pause in the whole fucking, you know. I ain't trying, man. I gotta smoke right now. Then you gonna have to send me something, pump. Yeah. I'll give
Man, that's in the air, man. We stay on space, man.
You gonna have to yeah, me something, bitch, you know. I said it right now. You know where we at with it. You know how we get down. This shit every day, pimp. This ain't no motherfucking fraud. This ain't
What
no
this is right here, the old official project?
Official. Hey, word to everything. This is where I used to cop my diesel from, bitch. When I used to pump them furrow packs, nigga. When I used to sell that silver pack, you hear me? Wayne said that silver pack in that balloon, yeah. That shit real. I used to come cop out shit. You see how it look right now? You got it looking totally different. It's the West Bank. We're gonna go swing through downtown later on, you know what I mean? We're gonna go swing through downtown later on. Do that 7. All here, bitch, you already know what it is. Cooling right now, though, man. I'm about to go in the fucking studio. Get this shoot this together. Shoot this together right quick. So I'll bring it to the DJ, get this shit done. Forward progress, man. Keep this shit moving, you already know. Get it in, nigga. Motherfucking honey.
Shout out to that nigga Moolah Mall.
Bitch, Moolah should be on the way down here now. Shout out to Moolah. Familiar, you already know what it is. We've been doing this shit, nigga, since Pimp Squad, you heard?
Cartel Bridge, huh? Crescent City.
Ooh, I need to get a scene right here or something. What you got that behind me? Yeah. Think that could be behind the nigga.
Run that music back.
Is this the is this why I put turn to go to T house? Or I turn 250, 270?
You gonna make that left up here. That music back on.
Niggas gorillas, bitch, I'm about my business. Word to my riches. Niggas spank they hard, they gon' die hard. Who's with us? I'm about whatever.
Tell ENT.
That's my shit like that,
Dip up in that 40, I ain't worried about a hate. Nigga, first things first. I'ma go get some paper whenever money calling. I tell them hoes later. Every day I'm ballin', so everything is major. Go pick up in that 40, I ain't worried about a hate, baby. Fuck the bullshit. I'ma go get some paper. Yeah, I'ma go get some paper. I'm gone. I'ma go get some paper. Whenever money calling, I tell them hoes later. Money primary, call it first things first. Fuck the bullshit, it's time to go to work. The grind don't stop, hustle round the clock. Always petty hustling, still standing on the block. I go by the name of Rock, major and you not. I get paper while you niggas got your face up in some twat. Fucking fakers, look, boys they don't know nothing about some guap. Look at my bracelet, boys look like they face about to pop. On that hating shit, tell them niggas face it. That shit I embrace it, I done called about 3-4 cases and they never made a statement. I'm going ahead and lace ya, cause these niggas will snake ya. Roll your own blunts, these niggas will lace ya. It's major, stepping in Maury Gators, no efforts towards these haters, disrespect them scarring faces. It's major, stepping in Maury Gators, no efforts towards these haters. First things first, I'ma go get some paper. Whenever money calling, I tell them hoes later. Every day I'm ballin', so everything is major. They pick up in that 40, I ain't worried about a hate, baby. Fuck the bullshit. I'ma go get some paper. Yeah, I'ma go get some paper. I'm gone. I'ma go get some paper. Whenever money calling, I tell them hoes later. I get some money, ho, with nothing over that. Think I'ma break you off, bitch, hold your breath. I'm a different breed, I think they noticed that. This is some different weed, I need a O of that. Always in different V's, and keep a hoe in that. Just made me 20 G's, tonight I'm blowing that. Can't take it when I leave, so I spend it while I'm here. We popping bottles, pimp, and blowing loud and VIP. I keep a model near, a Hollywood star. Shout out my hood bitches, but I let them college broads. I'm the hottest boy, call me Molotov. I'm the hottest boy, call me Molotov. It's major, stepping in Maury Gators, no efforts towards these haters, disrespect them scarring faces, yeah. It's major, stepping in Maury Gators, no efforts towards these haters. That's light work right there. Y'all gonna see what it do at the show tonight.